You say hi, Say hi, everyone. So today we are making avocado egg cups. What? Those are avocados, honey. We're gonna make them a certain way. There's very different variations of it. Actually, once I'm done this video, I'm gonna put a link in the description above, so you guys can actually go get the written recipe of it, and that's to do it one way. This way, we're gonna kind of do it because we're only making one avocado, so we're just gonna kind of make it with one egg and then just kind of like mix our stuff in it the way that we like it. Okay, but the actual recipe says egg in the cup, in the oven, and then sprinkle all the vegetables on top. But we're going to mix it all together, okay? And then when it's done cooking, we're going to sprinkle bacon on top. Yeah! Okay, so the link above to our community, okay, is actually a group where we cook weekly, like more than once a week. We like 2 or 3 times a week, we actually cook in there, okay? That's where we do majority of our cooking. We only cook on this page occasionally. But if you love this video, if you're getting a good vibe from us, you can actually just click the link for our community, join it, and we do cooking videos in there. We do workouts in there. Actually, we do free events in there, and our next free events is actually in a couple of weeks, and we're going to be showing you how to make low-carb cocktails. So that's really awesome. We're excited for that one. But we're going to get going on this video. So we're going to do, we're going to break an egg into this bowl. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Right? That's what we're going to do. Woo! Egg in the bowl. Egg in the bowl. I just got to wipe my hands. Okay. And we're going to whisk this egg together. Now, the one thing that we did do before this video is we scooped out a little bit of the avocado inside so we have enough room to pour the egg in it. Okay, because that's what we're going to be doing, all right? So we're going to whisk this egg together in this bowl here. Okay. So this is like our version of avocado egg cups or avocado bowls, right?
I had that in my paper and fill.
Yeah. Okay, so we're whisked. We're whisked, okay? Now, we have some green onion here, and we have some red bell peppers, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to add them in here. Add the onion. We're going to add all the onion here. We're going to add the bell peppers here.
Hey, Mommy.
I don't think all the bell peppers are good.
Hey, Mommy.
What, honey?
What a bowl.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's right here. Right there.
What? They move.
I know there's still more. There's still more. It's not all going to fit though right now, okay? And then we're just going to mix these together, okay? Okay. So now it's all mixed up together in the bowl, just like this, okay? We are going to bring the cutting board here. We're going to bring our pan over here. We just have parchment paper here. Okay, we're going to put the avocados in here, and then my assistant is going to pour the eggs inside, and then we're going to put some spices on top. We're going to put it in the oven. Right now, the oven's being preheated at 400, and then you just cook it to however you like your eggs, okay? So it's anywhere between 13 and 18 minutes, and it all depends on if you like your eggs a little bit runny, like it kind of in the middle, or if you like it like almost like hard boiled, kind of like, you know, like solid. All right, so it all depends on how you like your eggs. At the 13 mark, that's like when it's a little bit runny. At about the 15-minute mark, that's like medium, and then the 18 mark is hard boiled. Does that make sense? Okay, so he's gonna pour it in, and I'm gonna get the spices ready. Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some Italian spice on top. Okay. So, and then once we're gonna put it in until we like it at like the hard boiled egg point. Okay. So we're gonna put that. We're gonna do till then. Okay. And then when we bring it out of the oven, we're gonna sprinkle some bacon bits on top, and that's how we like our avocado bowls. So they're just eating all the red bell peppers. They're like, I want some bell peppers. They love red bell peppers. All right. So, just lift the camera down so you can show them. There we go. We can do that. So angle you down a bit, okay? There we go. Perfect. Now you can kind of see what it looks like, okay? I'm going to sprinkle some Italian spice on here. All right.
And we too full.
It's not too full. Italian spice.
And we go.
Yep. And now we're going to stick it in the oven for about 18 minutes and it'll be all done, okay? At every single video I do, when it comes out of the oven, I take a picture and I put it in the comments of these videos, okay? So you can look back and you can see the end result so you know what to look for, kind of thing. So again, thank you for watching. We do these videos like 2 or 3 times in our community, okay? And that's the link above, okay? You can just click on it and join it, and we can get you right in there. And that's where you can find like tons of cooking videos because we do it like a couple times a week. We got workout videos in there. We have free events. The last event we just finished was our barbecue event. So we did a whole ton of stuff on the barbecue. It's all in there. We actually have it in the unit section, so you can find it really easily in that group. And then our next event is going to be low carb cocktails. So we're super excited about that. This is kind of get you some patio drinks, okay? But we're going to put these in the oven and I'll take a picture of them for you afterwards, okay? I hope you guys have a fantastic day and we will see you guys later. Bye!